Okay, so today I am going to make pizza in a little different way. Instead of using pizza dough, I got this Parmesan Romano topped with shredded Parmesan cheese, garlic bread, prepackaged from Aldi. Bought 2 of those. I have my pan lined with foil and sprayed with olive oil. I am going to have my oven preheated to 375. And I'm going to get ready to prepare so that we can get it in the oven. And I'm just giving you a little closer look. This is what the bread looks like out of the package. It's already got a good bit of that garlic butter on there, but I'm thinking about adding a little bit more just for texture's sake. I'm going to place that in the pan. Line up. Okay, throw it in the trash can, okay?
Okay. Hey guys, I'm going to school today for my first day of school. I'm going to school for my first day, and my mom's cooking my.
So I am not adding sauce. I'm going to use a spicy marinara for the dipping sauce once this is done, but I'm not putting actual sauce on the pre-prepared bread. So I have layered it with a couple of different cheeses here, because I like it really cheesy. I'm just gonna layer on the pepperoni on each bread now. I'm also gonna put some bacon bits on the top as well. Lastly, Italian seasoning. I bought this from Aldi's for only 99 cents. I think Aldi's is a great place to get your seasoning. I should have put the seasoning on before I put the cheese on. I forgot about that. I'll do it next time. I'm just gonna put it on top for this section, and then I'll put it on the bottom layer for the next, and we'll see what kind of a difference that it makes. I am just placing it in the oven at this point for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm thinking 12 minutes, but I'm thinking between 10 and 15. So I've just taken it out of the oven. I didn't want the bread to get hard. It was about 8.5 minutes. Now for the second time, I put the Italian seasoning on the bottom and the bacon on the top before the pepperoni, and it turned out really good. I used this spicy marinara for Fresh Ingredients by Yo Mama's for the dipping sauce, and then I just cut it into pieces, and I'm going to do it that way. I think it turned out really well. This was the first batch, not the second, but the first batch, and I think it turned out really good. For the spicy marinara, I just added pepper and some parsley, and I mixed that up really good. Now, this is the second batch, a really up-close view. I think the second batch did turn out a lot better. The way I layered it the second time worked a lot better. So, I really like using the garlic bread with the Parmesan and then the garlic spread butter. Some people may use the pizza dough. I like doing it this way, and you may like it too. Just give it a try.